Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's short video, we're going to learn how to plot gene ontology analysis using Google Gemini. Google Gemini can help you quickly organize, summarize, and visualize your geo-enrichment results, making it easier to interpret your biological data and generate publication-ready figures. Open the GeoTerm file that you saved from the previous assignment. Next, save the file in plain text format, as this format is required for the next step of the analysis. Once the text file has been saved successfully, you're ready to upload it for Go visualization using Google Gemini. Open Google Gemini and upload the text file that you just created. Once the file has been uploaded, you are ready to provide a prompt asking Gemini to analyze and visualize your gene ontology terms. In the prompt box, enter the following prompt: calculate the frequency of the attached text file. Then, submit the prompt and allow Google Gemini to analyze the geo terms and calculate the frequency of each gene ontology term found in the uploaded text file. After the frequency calculation is complete, enter the following second prompt. Summarize the frequencies by geo category, biological process, molecular function, and cellular component. After summarizing the geo categories, enter the following third prompt. List the top 10 geo terms for each category: biological process, molecular function, and cellular component. For the final step, enter the following fourth prompt. Plot a bar chart showing the top 10 geo terms for each category: biological process, molecular function, and cellular component, with the frequency number displayed on each bar. You can also use an additional prompt to convert the geo accession numbers into their corresponding geo term descriptions for a clearer visualization. The figure is now ready for download and can be further processed for publication or presentation purposes. You can export the generated bar chart and make additional adjustments, such as modifying the font size, figure layout, or labeling style, using graphic editing software if required. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.